To talk about how can you get premium on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Audiomack app. So we're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do now, just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on your photo profile, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down, you keep going down here. Then you come here to uh, Calicer here, just click on it here. Then come to this list, you click here on start your free trial. So then it's going to take you to add here your card information. So before that here you select here if you want to add here. If you want to add here uh, the pass, just click on it and you add it, then it's going to add with you. Or here start your free trial, then here add your add credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.